The initial issue is 230 volts from phaser to neutral. This can be caused by incorrect wiring or loose connections in the service panel or the mobile home's wiring. To resolve this, check all connections, ensuring they are tight and correct. Verify proper polarity and phase identification. Secondly, there are ground rod and wiring issues. The cause is an improper grounding system, including inadequate ground rod installation and loose connections. To resolve this, replace the plumbing fitting with an electrical-grade conduit body. Ensure the ground rod is properly driven into the ground, typically to a depth of 8 feet. Clamp the ground wire to the rod using an approved grounding clamp, not a rubber hose clamp. Check all grounding connections for tightness. Thirdly, electrical shock is being received from the ground rod. This is caused by improper grounding or faulty wiring. To resolve this, inspect the entire grounding system for breaks or loose connections. Verify that the ground rod is not touching any other conductive materials such as the plumbing system. Consult with a qualified electrician to ensure proper grounding. Fourthly, there is a continuity reading between the ground bar and phase A. The cause is a ground fault or improper wiring. To resolve this, unplug all appliances and disconnect all loads from the electrical panel. Using a high-quality multimeter, perform a continuity test between the ground bar and all circuit wires. Identify any circuits with a continuity reading and troubleshoot accordingly. Fifthly, there is a 400 ohms reading between the ground bar and phase A. This is likely due to loose or faulty connections or a partial ground fault. To resolve this, tighten all connections at the ground bar. Check for any damaged wires or insulation. If the issue persists, consult with a qualified electrician to further investigate. Sixthly, the service at the pole was poorly done. The cause is negligence or unqualified workmanship by the utility company. To resolve this, contact the utility company and request a re-inspection and repairs of the service. Ensure that all components, including electrical metallic tubing, meter box, and can, are securely installed and meet electrical codes. Also consider scheduling a comprehensive electrical safety inspection of the mobile home and service to address any other potential hazards. One should educate the homeowner about electrical safety and the importance of maintaining a properly functioning electrical system.